What is the big buzz with silver recently? Well, I guess it's not that big of a buzz yet. I'm probably just jumping the gun, I guess. After all, we have seen silver in this current price range of 16 and change to 19 and change for the last couple of years, only over a few periods of time. It's been very volatile, going from 21 and change down below 9 in less than 1 year's time. And what is the big reason for using silver over that as fiat dollars, which is money backed by nothing, backed by absolutely nothing? Yet, if we look at the tangible uses, there are many, many different uses for silver. Many. What type of tangible uses are there with fiat currency? Because people believe in the paper money system and digital money system, it is still currently available to be traded for many other goods, including silver. And is money a tangible asset? Well, if you could put a $20 bill in your pocket, then I guess that would be tangible. But its actual tangible asset is only that of a piece of paper. And approximately 98 or 99% of all money created is in digital form, meaning it does not represent a piece of paper or a coin. And if that's the case, is that 98, 99% tangible? Can you touch numbers in a computer screen? I guess throughout the computer you can by pushing a few codes. Because you look at something's value based on its intrinsic usage, pieces of fiat dollars will still contain some uses. But what's a little interesting is that a $1 US Federal Reserve note weighs the same as a $100 Federal Reserve note. So whatever it is you would physically do with a $100 bill, you could do with a $1 bill. In fact, you could have 100 $1 bills for that of a single $100 bill. Yet many people still believe in the dollar system. Is it that they are gullible? Were they brainwashed into this? I don't know. But I do notice more and more people are coming to the conclusion that these paper notes are not that hard to create, at least not for the central bankers. It's just a matter of printing them off. Yes, they have a few terms that they oblige by, transferring for a treasury bond, all those fancy financial instruments that they use. And I see how many people have a vast majority of their investments within the stock market in some form or another, whether it be through bonds, through equities, you name it. A lot of people have a lot of money in there. And a lot of that is pieces of paper. Now, if you have a lot of shares of IBM, I don't know what that would do in a hyperinflation scenario. Maybe that stock will go up with inflation. It wouldn't surprise me if it did. But to what degree? Silver was deflated so huge the previous decade before we entered really 2002. The price was going lower and lower while the money supply was going higher and higher. I didn't know in 1996 or 2002 that silver would have been a great investment, although when you look in hindsight, it was a magnificent one. I didn't know that. Was that because I was gullible? Was I dumbed down? Was I brainwashed? You know what? It might have been a little bit of all three. But like I say, more people are waking up. And I know with silver, the reason why I feel it is a safe investment is because it's actually a raw material that people use. It has real value to it. So yes, it might be possible you may lose on the investment, but what are the chances of that, and to what degree? Yes, on the short term, you can see some wild swings. Like I mentioned, a move of 21 and change to under 9. That's very volatile. But I look at the charts, and silver seems as if it wants to break out to the upside. And because the equity market or stock market is set up in which they do not mention that to be a form of gambling, which pretty much almost everything is, including investing in silver. It's just gambling is uncertain events based on its chances. So the chances I think silver does very well is high. I don't know what the chances the stock market does well to be. I don't know. It's been very flat the last decade, more than anything. And because people are gambling in the equity markets, and it's set up so small-time players cannot play, it is disturbing me that this is happening. And that's why I decided to stop doing some charts. So I'm thinking I'll be doing the charts exclusively towards silver. Not even gold, not bonds, not the dollar, not any particular stock, not even silver stocks like silver wheaton. Although, no, maybe silver stocks, I don't know yet. However, the reason for this is because silver trading within the actual physical metal itself, that I think is a smart investment. Therefore, if you're going to see a Dow Jones chart or even a gold chart, it most likely will be that of a ratio chart. The ratio of silver to Dow, or Dow divided by silver, gold divided by silver. Thank you for watching, and have yourself a great day. Bye-bye.